Watch this video and learn how to draw this. Wow! Later in the video, we're gonna do my favorite thing. We're gonna sing. Okay, are you ready? It's Artie's show!
Come on kids, let's run, let's brush. Grab a pencil, chalk or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Color, texture, shapes and lines. Making art of every kind. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie!
Oh, I didn't see you there. Hello, and welcome back to Artie's show. I'm Artie, and this is the show where I teach you to draw. You can either watch me draw and just enjoy that, or you can draw along. So you might need some paper and some marker pens or a crayon or a pencil, and we can have fun. It's gonna be awesome.
Hello, little artists!
Hey kids, how's it going?
Okay, little artists, are you ready to start? I think we have everything we need now. Okay, it's gonna be fun. Just draw along and copy everything that I do.
Get your marker pens and your paper and your microphone. Oh!
Artie?
Hi.
Oh, your art makes my whiskers wiggle with joy.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Bye.
Bye. Keep watching. It's nearly time for a song. I love art so much. Whew, all this drawing's making me tired. Let's have a little break and sing a song. Are you ready? Here we go. It's 1, 2, 3.
Artie eats his vegetables, vegetables, vegetables. Artie eats his vegetables to grow up big and strong. Crunch, crunch, carrot sweet. Spinach makes a healthy treat. Broccoli, peas, and peppers too. Veggies are so good for you. Veggies help me run so fast, run so fast, run so fast. Veggies help me run so fast and play all through the day. Crunch, crunch, carrot sweet. Spinach makes a healthy treat. Broccoli, peas, and peppers too. Veggies are so good for you. Crunch, crunch, carrot sweet. Spinach makes a healthy treat. Broccoli, peas, and peppers too. Veggies are so good for you. Artie says try something new, something new, something new. Veggies come in every hue. There's always more to chew. Artie loves his veggies right. Eats the morning, noon, and night. Healthy, happy, full of cheer. Veggies make it all so clear.
Oh, that was such a fun song. I really enjoyed it, did you, little artist? I hope you sang along. Okay, time to carry on with the drawing.
That looks lovely, Artie.
Great job, buddy.
Wow, this one came out really good. I'm so pleased with it. Okay, there's only one thing to do now. It's time to color it in.
Coloring it in is my favorite part.
I think it's finished. Oh, wow. This is a really good one. It was a lot of work, but boy, does it look good. I'm very proud of it. I hope your one looked good as well. I bet it did.
See you next time.
We'll see you again soon.
Thanks for watching Artie's show. We're so happy you came. Please come again. Bye-bye for now. Have an arty day.